Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to draw a MOOSICORN. Now, to draw a MOOSICORN, we want to make a moose that has a nice little unicorn horn on it. So, to start off with this, we're going to begin with the nose. So starting right here, I'm just going to make a nice big oval shape for the nose of our little MOOSICORN. Now, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a big circle shape that just kind of curves around, and then it's just going to come back down to here. Now, right inside the nose, I'm just going to make a little oval shape, and I'm going to color it in. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, just a nice little oval shape that you just color in. Then for the eyes, I'm just going to draw two circles, one right here, and then one right here. And I'm just kind of keeping them close to the nose. And then I'm just going to add a couple circles inside of here. And then I'm just going to color in the area right around them. Now, we want to make the ears. So to draw the ears, I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a line that just curves down, and then it's going to curve back up for one ear. And then I'm going to make that exact same shape inside, just a little bit smaller. Then the same thing over here, draw a little line that curves down, and then curves back up. And then I'm going to make the same shape inside of here. Now for the antlers of our moose. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go out, and then it's just going to curve up and then down. And then I'm just going to curve this down, and then I'm going to go back up a little bit higher and down. And then I'm just going to curve this back up even higher. And then when I come down, I'm just going to go real far down, and then I'm just going to slowly curve it back up. So it should be nice and big down here, and then get skinnier as it goes up there. Kind of fix that eye a little bit. So now same thing over here. I'm going to start here and just go out, and then make a little bump. Then I'm going to curve it back up with a little bit taller bump and then go down. And then curve it back up with an even taller bump. And then I'm just going to curve down and then get a little skinnier as I get closer. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make the little arms of the moose. So, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to curve in. And then same thing over here, just go down, and then curve in. Then I'm going to start right here and draw a little line that just curves down, and then another little line here that curves down for the body. Then starting right here, I'm going to continue with this curve and draw a line down. And I'm just going to go over and then up a little bit. And then I'm going to draw this line down and go over and then up a little bit. And then right here, you just want to make a nice little curved line. Then a little bit above this line, I'm just going to make a big oval shape just for the stomach. And then on the ends of the hands here, I'm going to make two little bumps like this for like little hooves. So I'm just going to go down, up, and then back down again. And then same thing here, just make a little line that goes down, and up. And then same thing here, just so it has like little hooves. And then now to making a MOOSICORN. So I'm just going to start right here at the top of the head, draw a line that just goes up, and then comes back down with a nice triangle shape. And then I'm just going to make some little curved lines right across here like this. And there you go. There is your drawing of a MOOSICORN. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.